This is day 1 of our 5-day trip to the beautiful islands of Cebu. And our first itinerary is Malapascua Island. So from Cebu City, sumakay lang kami ng Ceres bus going to Maya Port. And we took the 6 a.m. trip and we only paid around 320 pesos for the bus ticket. Midway sa travel, there's a stopover at Carmen, Cebu, where you can have your breakfast. Yung travel time, nasa around 3 to 4 hours lang, but it is preferred na you travel early in the morning para iwas traffic. Pagdating namin ng Maya Port, first thing that we did is to pay the environmental fee, which is 75 pesos each. Marami ka lang kailangang i-fill out na details for the manifesto. Next is to pay the boat ticket, which costs around 200 pesos per person. Every 30 minutes naman yung interval ng trips nila, so once we got our ticket, sumakay na kami sa boat namin. Maliit lang siya and medyo struggle yung pagtawid, but may mga porters naman who will assist you. Medyo konti lang din yung passengers this time kasi patapos na din yung summer. The trip took around 30 minutes and we're just happy na hindi masyadong maalon. And when you see these little islets, you'll know na malapit ka na sa Malapascua. And finally, nakarating na kami sa first island ng itinerary namin. Pagdating mo ng Malapascua Island, makikita mo na yung white sand and yung crystal clear water, napakaganda. And sa port pa lang, may mga sasalubong na sa'yo ng mga tour guides. Mag-o-offer sila ng rides, mga island tours around Malapascua Island. So from the port, sumakay lang kami ng motorcycle papunta sa resort namin and we only paid around 30 pesos. Yung resort na nabook namin is the Little Mermaid Dive Resort. Napaka-accommodating din ng staff nila, may pa-welcome drinks, and pinayagan kaming mag-early check-in. Dumating kami dito ng around 10 a.m. and yung room namin is nasa second floor. We got the family room that's good for 4 packs. Nabook namin siya sa booking.com and we only paid around 3,000 pesos. It includes free breakfast and beachfront na din siya. Meron ng air conditioning, mini ref, and separate yung toilet and bath nila. Medyo funny lang kasi yung bath nila is walang door. Ito naman yung labas ng room namin. Meron ding third floor and yung resort na katabi namin is yung Coco Cabana. Nag-freshen up lang kami and then nag-change outfit. Then pumunta na kaming market para mag-lunch. Naglakad lang kami kasi it's only a few minutes away lang naman sa resort namin. Wala pa masyadong tao this time and we were told na yung mga seafoods nila will be available sa gabi pa. So babalik kami doon to try out their seafoods na very mura lang daw. After that, naglakad-lakad lang kami sa Bounty Beach. Ito yung parang main spot nila where you can find yung mga known resorts dito sa Malapascua. Like yung Hippocampus, Ocean Vida, and then yung Little Mermaid na din. This is the front view pala ng resort where we're staying. Napaka-chill and relaxing yung view. We met din pala this cute little doggy. His name is Percy. Napaka-clingy niya. And after that, nag-chill lang kami dito sa beach sa harap ng Little Mermaid. Then around 6 p.m., bumalik na kami dun sa merkado or sa market nila para mag-dinner. Dito lang din kami dumaan sa Bounty Beach. Meron din silang mga seafoods dito but dun sa market kasi mas mura daw. Napakadaming variety ng fresh seafoods dito sa market nila. May mga crabs, lobsters, king prawns, at marami pa. Itong lobster na na-order namin, nasa 400 pesos lang siya. Ito namang tiger prawns, nasa around 300 pesos lang. And OMG, yung scallops nila, nasa 50 pesos per plate lang. Tas yung price nila, kasama na dun yung pagluto ng mga seafoods. You can also choose either yung garlic buttered or yung may sauce. And we just ended our day 1 here in Malapascua Island with some seafood mukbang.